Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this orangey goldy kind of colour, and I'm just doing this look right here. I used literally one palette and some glitter, and I used 3 brushes because, as you guys are aware, I do not like using more than one brush because sometimes people don't have that many brushes. But without further ado, let's get started. The concealer that I put under my eye, this Infallible pomade, and it's in the shade, where's the shade gone? There, light medium 01.5. Then I set it in place just a tiny bit using the collection translucent powder. The brushes that I'm using are these 3 brushes. So it's the Essential Crease brush, the Detailer brush, and the Base Shadow brush. So it's Essential, Detailer, and Base. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, because I've done my eyes differently this time guys. Basically normally I used to put concealer on and foundation and set it. But this time I've put foundation under my face and I haven't done that eye because I'm going with this pomade. That's the one thing that I changed up. And to be honest with you, I did quite like it because this pomade it just doesn't crease, because I've got kind of hooded eyes and it just doesn't crease at all, which is what I like. And it's kind of thick as well, so using this you can kind of get started straight away. But because with this eye I hadn't done everything, but this eye I have, so I have to be careful not to whoosh my brows out the way. But anyway, let me just put a bit more on there. Don't worry guys, I'll sort all of that out later because hopefully it will just blend in with my foundation. Why does that look blue on there? Oh, that, can you see that? It looks grey blue. So weird. But it doesn't, because this is what I'm putting on, and it looks like that. So I don't know why it's kind of like that, but it looks fine. Maybe put the lighting down. It doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna have to put the lighting up because my room light is really bad. So that's why. So I'm just gonna take a bit of powder. I'm just going to use what's on the top and just wash it around on top of the... I'm filming! No! See what I mean, man. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up burnt orange, that colour, and then I'm going to go in with Real Gar or whatever it's called, that one. But I'm using this brush first, the Detailer brush, and I'm just going to go straight into it. I'm also using it my eye. So and I find the eyeshadow kind of, it's a lot smoother to apply when doing it like this. Even though I love my Maybelline one, don't get me wrong, and I still do use it, but I'm just kind of trying different ways. Kind of close it off on the end. I'm just using different ways because no harm in experimenting with it. I'm gonna kind of take that up a bit. And now I'm gonna pick up this Base Shadow brush. I'm just going to apply it just underneath a bit, but I am going to drag a bit of it up because I don't want it to I don't want it to look, I forgot what I was going to say, but anyway. Yeah, I don't want it to look kind of like unnatural. I just want it to look like it's all just blended together, if that makes sense. Because I'm actually confusing myself right now. I'm going to go back in with the other shade and just go over. Just like that. And as you can see, that was just... Okay, so that's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with that detailer brush and take some concealer. Just a tiny bit, you don't need that much. It doesn't matter if it's mixed or not because we're going to go over it anyway, so that's no biggie. Just gently kind of go over it. Then I'm going to pick up some glitter that I'm using is Barry M, and it's in the shade 10, I believe. And it looks, without me dropping it, it looks yellowy. I think it's not supposed to look like I wouldn't have bought it if I knew it was this yellowy. But yeah, it's doing me. And I don't think there's any tester, so I just bought it and just assumed it was the right gold I needed. In fact, it wasn't, but I'm going to apply some just like that, and that's more than enough. And use my small finger just to kind of dab it like that. Then pick up some glitter. I have to be careful with this glitter. Just like that. I'm gonna on this because obviously I'm going to drop it. I'm taking what's left on, oh god, on that brush. I'm just going to kind of blend in the ends. I'm going to pick up a bit more colour of the real gold, just a tiny bit. And that's that. And then I'm going to go in with the Falsies Push Up Mascara, and I'm going to place that on the top, on my top lashes. This is actually my everyday mascara because I don't open up too many mascaras, simply because I just don't like it when they kind of dry up and get cloggy. So I always have one at a time, even though I have like the hundreds unopened ones in my drawer. I mean, I've got another one, like the blue one and the normal one, but it's like, you know, when you're running out, you're not bothered. Oh god, my hair. Just like that. And now I'm going to take off all the under eye. And I'm just going to take what's left on this brush and just run it in a ouch, that went in my eye. I'm just going to take a bit of my bronzer from the 17 kit and just going to I'm going to run a bit of that mascara on my lower lashes, just a tiny bit. Oh god. I'm quickly gonna get some I'm just gonna pick up some this, and this is stunning. Look at it. And I'm just gonna place that in the usual areas. Stunning, stunning, stunning highlighter. Just a bit more. Down the bridge of my nose. Also kind of here a bit. And that is the finished look. Let me just come close. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please do subscribe to my channel, do like, comment and share, and do leave your thoughts and opinions down below and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.